Today's the day that we no longer participate in nonsense. Today's the day we say goodbye to the old patterns and the old shitty ways of living. I'm wondering why going from week to week, grinding out to wait for a weekend or to get to a midweek to have a few beers and a bag of Coke. It's going to make us feel better, or somehow make us feel like we've deserved it. Right, this video is short and sharp. You don't deserve shit, yeah? You don't deserve to shove shit up your nose. You don't deserve to catch up with your pals on a Wednesday and chuck a load of beers down your neck and think that you're serving and you're doing well with your life. See, this video is to pack a punch, and if it doesn't resonate with you and you don't want to listen to it, then feel free just to carry on scrolling past. But my aim for these videos are to find the people that are traipsing through the mud, living the same cycle, the same patterns, the same routines, wondering why their lives are going nowhere. So let me be that person to give you a slap round the face and tell you that you're worth so much more than what you're doing. And I see it so many times, and took care of it myself for so many years, and it always leads to a dead end. God did not put us on this earth to become a bunch of losers, to have nothing. Your grandparents, your ancestors don't look down on you and go, well done, grandson, granddaughter. You've worked all week and you've just shoved it all up your nose with a load of beer on top, and that you think you're doing something good in the world. How do you think they feel looking down on you? See, I know deep down you're not feeling too good at yourself. I'm pretty sure that they're looking down and thinking, what the hell is going on? It's an embarrassment. It's an embarrassment. So today's the day you check yourself before you completely wreck yourself. And again, I'm not here just to have a rant, but there's so much more to life than living for the weekend, clubbing, hanging around in kitchens, like bouncing around and talking a load of shit that you've probably taught for 10-15 years of your life. Know that there's more for you and your life than these places that you keep showing up in. So, and if you are watching this video, there's a message here for you. And if you want to join my channel and you like this video, and you need to reach out and talk, because I have been through the addictions and done some terrible things, but it's only now me not participating in this garbage, which is what it is, and wondering to myself why I'm going nowhere in life. Things will change for your life for the better, and that I can promise you. So from someone that's been there, done it, and done it for more than enough years, I hope I can give you some value. So if you like the video, please share, give a thumbs up, and I'm going to come on here and speak with you on the regular, and hopefully we can make some improvements. Keep going, don't give in to the devil. The devil keeps wangling them bags in front of you and these short fixes, and all it is numbing. You're just escaping reality. It's not cool, it's not clever, you look like a fucking idiot. It's time to give it up. God bless, keep it real, and do what's right for you.